Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll show you how to fix can't connect to the camera error issue. So if you are facing the same issue, there might be a several reason: software problem or hardware problem. So we'll show you 4 methods. By adopting these 4 methods, you can also fix your camera issue. So before proceeding further, like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos. So the first method is you have to open your camera, click on settings icon. Here at the last you will see reset option. You have to click on it. A pop-up message will appear. Are you sure you want to restore camera setting to default? So this will reset your camera settings. So you have to click on confirm, and then you have to check the box I have read the privacy statements. Click on agree. So this is the first method. Now I'll show you the second method. For second method, you have to go to your phone settings, go to apps, and then from here you have to find camera. Click on force stop, click on OK. Then you have to click on storage and cache, click on clear cache, and then click on clear data. Click on OK. So this is the second method. With second method, there is 80% probability that your camera will be fixed. In method 3, you have to go to your internal storage. Go to internal storage, and then here you will find folder DCIM. You have to click on these 3 dots and you have to delete this folder. You have to click on delete permanently. Now we'll teach you the fourth and last method. You have to go to your phone settings, go to about phone, and go to software, and you have to update your software. And right now you can see our camera is now working fine. So by adopting these 4 methods, you can also fix your camera issue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.